here at RAPID TCT in Detroit this year, showcasing our latest innovations and new products, starting with ParaMatters and the brand new CogniCAD 2.1, which is bringing really new one-click features all the way from generative design to additive manufacturing. And now Michael also with one-click investment casting.
That's true.
What's new?
That's true. So first of all, thank you. We're very excited to be here and to have our debut at RAPID TCT. So we released, 2 weeks ago, we released CogniCAD 2.1. It's, in our view, in view of many of our customers, this is the best generative design solution today in the market. User imports model-defined constraints and their design goals. As one-click solution, they will generate designs which are ready for manufacturing, including finite element validations. Designs are available as STL file for printing, but they're also available as step file for CAD. So basically it's CAD agnostic, very important for aerospace, automotive industries. We support additive manufacturing and investment casting as well. You can see this very beautiful part which was designed, here we go, which was designed for investment casting. Actually, the manufacturing process here was a combination, it's hybrid manufacturing. It was 3D printed from wax, and the mold was created and it was casted. Very unique capability to move adoption of additive manufacturing and combined manufacturing to automotive and aerospace.
So really, for the first time now, if an engineer wants to, they can topology optimize for investment casting.
Correct.
In one click, they will get to a sacrificial pattern, and then out of the investment casting, they could get the real net shape that is ready for manufacturing.
That's true. Just want to. This shape looks very organic and cool, but we are here not in the business of making nice shapes. We're in the business of creating very effective
performance shape.
Yeah. We're in the business of creating very effective design in terms of weight versus performance. And if design looks cool, it's complementary.
Yeah, that's we're saying biomimicry comes with, right?
Yeah.
The most efficient structures were already patented by nature.
Yeah.
With ParaMatters, we're cracking that code and democratizing access. But there is one other really unique feature in Cognitive 2.1, which is, for those engineers that haven't been trained in topology optimization and are not fully accustomed to setting all of their loads and constraints. What's new in CogniCAD 2.1?
So in some cases, it's especially relevant for CAD designers or for industrial designers, which would like to get nice organic shapes, but they don't know what the loading conditions, because typically, topology optimization is a tool has been used by CAE experts, and they know how to set up finite element problem. Some industrial designers less experienced in this, so we developed an AI suggestion engine which will generate organic, nice, robust design even for cases when loading conditions are not known.
So even when we now have design challenges where the loading conditions are unknown, the applied artificial intelligence inside of CogniCAD 2.1 still generates a few nice designs in a seamless way. So really, when we talk about generative design here, we have the democratized version for everybody, and then we have the expert version really for those finite element experts that want to take it to the next level, all one-click solution.
Exactly right. We want to democratize generative design and topology optimization, not to leave it only for the group of experts. We want to use, basically we make it accessible for every engineer, every industrial designer, even not engineers, even designers who want to experiment with this and create very organic and nice shapes. And this is the reason why we are going to create 2 products from now. Will be CogniCAD expert for experts, which would like to design for fatigue, for vibration loading conditions, and for basically basic design, for the basic designers.
Yeah. So two products that we are unveiling here, both cloud-based, both are based on very affordable consumption models that take full advantage of our elastic cloud capabilities. But I wanted to mention one other significant thing, Michael, that we don't talk about much here, and that is that with CogniCAD, it's not just about topology optimization and generative design. It's really about unlocking the full potential of additive manufacturing, which means the ability to deliver complexity with ease. Because what's unique about this trailing arm on the Mini Cooper that we talked about before is that weight was reduced by 48%. The structure is highly functional, and the shape could not have been manufactured without additive manufacturing input. So really with CogniCAD 2.1, we're unlocking the full potential of additive manufacturing and also hybrid manufacturing.
Correct. That's correct. Yeah, so we combine several factors here. We want to consolidate few parts in one, and we want to deliver the most optimal and lightweighted design. And in many cases, it's followed by very complex shapes. And again, the combination of additive and generative is the driver for lightweighting and highly functional parts.
Yeah. We believe that this is the future of manufacturing, the future of Industry 4.0, and we invite everybody to come check out CogniCAD 2.1 here at RAPID TCT at the XponentialWorks Ecosystem Booth 2117. Come see us.
See us.